Even when I cannot see, you are moving. Even when I cannot hear, you are singing over me. Even when I can't hold on, you won't let me go. You are faithful. You are faithful. Even when my faith is tried, you're providing. Even though my flesh may fail, you're the strength when I am weak. Even when I run away, you will wait for me to come back home. Oh, I'm coming home.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Owie. If you're joining us for the first time, you have to clap for the people. Chioma, clap. Yeah, you're welcome. So you guys, well, I've brought you guys, I've dragged another celebrity here for
literally.
you. Yes, I dragged her, and I'm not even joking. So yeah, but then Chioma is on my seat today. You guys know her as WOSILAT from Skinny Girl in Transit. Yeah, she's actually a babe. I don't know why they used to draw a cartoon on her face.
I mean, that's the character,
right? True.
Yeah, so
and you portray it very well. You do a good job.
thankfully I can play both parts well.
Exactly, they need to make WOSILAT a baby girl like now,
because nobody ever believes that I'm the one most times.
Yeah, I remember the first time I actually saw your picture with the proper makeup on.
Okay.
Auntie Remy Speak, that's Book of Glam Stories, like 2 years ago. Fam, I did not believe my eyes. I'm like, what? If I did not read caption, I'll just be like, fine girl, tap tap, moving on. But then I saw it, I'm like, what? Is this Wosi? So yeah, I'm going to be doing Chioma's makeup. We've already started here. I'm going to leave all the details about the hairstylist and everything. I'm actually using my Nadula hair. I know you guys have seen the review, but then that's what I used for this wig. I mean, I'm so tired.
Okay. Sorry.
That's what we use for the hair shot. That's the wig she's wearing. So yeah, this is going to be a bridal look, and I might not really talk to you guys. I'm going to do a voiceover because me, I'm tired. The places that we need to talk, you hear the gist, but if not, see you at the end of the peace out, man.
Our God is indescribable. His name is hallowed in the firmament. He's a Passover lamb through space and time. Our God is indescribable. His name is hallowed in the firmament. He's a Passover lamb through space and time. So from the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end. So from the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end. To the God of all flesh, for He's my God and His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh. Yahweh, for He's my God and His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh. Yahweh, oh, He's my God and His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh. Yahweh, oh, yes you are, yes you are. Your love is so, so overwhelming. To your government there is no end. Your majesty revealed to all. Your love is so, so overwhelming. To your government there is no end. So from the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end. From the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end. To the God of all flesh, for He's my God and His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh. Yahweh, Yahweh, Master of the Milky Way. For He's my God and His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh. Yes, you are. Yahweh. You are my God. He's my God and His name is Yahweh. You're my Savior, you're my friend and Yahweh. My living, loving Father, you are. He's my God and His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh. His name is El Shaddai.
Got the magic touch. At this point, we're gonna, go and take interlude to go and
Refuel.
chop so that we don't go quench. Peace out, man.
A few moments later.
Yes, you are.
Yes, my God, and His name is Yahweh.
The God who was before time. God who will live. God who will live forever and ever.
Yes, my God, and His name is Yahweh.
Raise your voice and worship. Lift your voice and worship.
For He's my God, and His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh.
Majesty.
Holy Ghost, I need you, I need grace, I need more. Holy Mosito, I cannot do it by myself. I cannot do it by myself. Oh, sit up till I come, Holy Spirit, bubble up inside of me. I don't like what I see. I don't like what I see. Help me, help me, help me. Help me, help me, help me. Help me, help me, help me. This and I speed it up, I see boom. Help me now. Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost. Be the air I'm breathing. Be the air I'm breathing.
Testing.
Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2.
You are the life I'm living, everlasting water, river overflowing, breath of
At least you can see the worth.
I know, right? You look such a bomb person. I can't even speak English. You look such a bomb person. Okay. Yeah, people. I hope you like the look.
Love it.
This is the final look. I've turned Chioma into a bride.
Yep.
Do you like the look?
Love
What's
it.
your favorite parts of this whole look?
I think the brows.
The brows, yeah.
Because I'm used to thick
Dark,
brows.
yeah, definitely.
And they're as natural as possible. So
Yeah.
I love them.
You know?
And the eyes.
Your girl keeps it real. Anyways, guys, I'm tired. I got to go. We're gonna move to the outro now. And yeah, tell them, what should they do?
Alright guys, so please like and share this video.
Subscribe.
Like and share and subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel.
Please subscribe. So other people can see these wonders.
Yeah, and leave a comment, you guys. The more you leave a comment and interact with the video, the more YouTube shows it to more people.
I might just be on the YouTube replying comments.
Exactly. Wosiwonkoko will be there. It's not Chioma that will be there, it's Wosi that will be there. So yeah. I love you guys. Thank you. Shout out to Chioma for coming on my channel. I love you guys. Bye. Kisses. You have to say kisses.
Kisses.
Kisses. Mwah.
Daily as I live, often as I breathe, let my whole life be expressions of your grace. Daily as I live, often as I breathe, let my whole life be expressions of your grace.
Jehovah, O Jehovah, O Joila Danu.